Okie dokie, okie dokie. Here are Gabe's finished geodes. Look how classy these look. These look amazing. And look at the backs. How sick is that? They all came out so good. Now I know how to get this effect. What you do is you pour just a little bit of clear in the bottom of the mold, and then pour your colors down, and then pour clear over that, and then do a little bit of a motion, swirl it a little, and hit it with the heat gun and let it set. Look how nice that looks. Very nice. And we just used the Pin Touch pins, gold, to do the edges. And then the little, look how nice that looks. So classy. Very nice, Gabe. Did good. Awesome. So there you go. Coaster sets 101 in the books. Bye.